The grizzly bear, a majestic creature of immense power, inhabits the rugged landscapes of North America. Found in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open meadows and high alpine slopes, these bears are a symbol of wilderness and an integral part of the ecosystem. With their massive frames, powerful limbs, and distinctive humped shoulders, grizzly bears command attention wherever they roam. Their presence evokes a sense of awe and respect, a reminder of the raw beauty and untamed spirit of the natural world. Grizzly bears are solitary animals, generally preferring to live alone except during mating season or when raising cubs. Their lives are intricately intertwined with the rhythms of nature, their movements and behaviors dictated by the seasonal availability of food. Their keen senses and remarkable intelligence make them highly adept at locating and securing sustenance in the wild, employing a range of strategies to satisfy their voracious appetites. The life of a grizzly bear is a constant quest for nourishment. Their survival depends on their ability to consume vast quantities of food, particularly during the fall months as they prepare for the long winter hibernation. Driven by instinct and an unyielding hunger, grizzly bears spend a significant portion of their waking hours seeking out food, their movements guided by a combination of innate knowledge and learned experience. The search for sustenance is a fundamental aspect of their existence, shaping their behavior and interactions with the environment. Their search for food takes them on extensive journeys across their home ranges, covering vast distances in pursuit of their next meal. Whether patiently fishing for salmon in rushing rivers, meticulously digging for roots and tubers in the forest floor, or opportunistically scavenging for carrion, grizzly bears display remarkable adaptability and resourcefulness in their quest to satisfy their hunger. Their success in locating food is crucial not only for their own survival, but also for the health and balance of the entire ecosystem. One of the most iconic images of grizzly bears in the wild is of them standing in rushing rivers, patiently waiting for salmon to leap upstream during their annual spawning runs. This seasonal abundance of protein-rich fish provides a vital source of energy for the bears, particularly as they prepare for hibernation. Grizzly bears are highly skilled anglers, employing a variety of techniques to catch their slippery prey. Some bears wait patiently at the base of waterfalls or rapids, their keen eyesight allowing them to track the movement of salmon as they attempt to navigate the turbulent water. With lightning-fast reflexes, they snatch the fish out of the air as they leap, securing a meal with impressive precision. Others wade into the shallower waters, using their powerful paws to pin salmon against rocks or scoop them from the current. The sight of a grizzly bear successfully snagging a salmon is a testament to their strength, agility, and mastery of their environment. While salmon may be a staple food source for grizzly bears in certain regions, their diet is far from limited to fish. They are opportunistic omnivores, consuming a wide variety of plants, insects, and small mammals depending on availability. During the summer and fall months, they spend a significant amount of time foraging for roots, berries, nuts, and other vegetation, taking advantage of the abundance of plant life. Their sharp claws are adept at digging up roots and tubers, while their sensitive noses guide them to ripe berries and other fruits. Grizzly bears will also readily consume insects, using their long tongues to lap up ants and grubs or their powerful paws to tear open logs in search of tasty larvae. Their diverse diet allows them to thrive in a variety of habitats and ensures they have access to essential nutrients throughout the year. Section 5. Opportunistic hunters tracking down ungulates. While primarily foragers, grizzly bears are also capable hunters, particularly when other food sources are scarce. They will prey on elk, deer, moose, and other ungulates, using a combination of stealth and brute force to bring down their quarry. Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect the scent of prey from afar, while their powerful legs enable them to cover ground quickly in pursuit. Once they have located their target, grizzly bears will often rely on surprise attacks, ambushing their prey in dense vegetation or charging from a hidden position. Their massive size and powerful claws make them formidable predators, capable of inflicting fatal blows with a single swipe. While hunting for ungulates requires more energy and carries greater risks, it can provide grizzly bears with a significant source of protein and fat, particularly important for females raising cubs. Section 6. Seasonal shifts. Adapting to nature's rhythms. The diet of a grizzly bear undergoes significant seasonal changes, reflecting the fluctuating availability of food resources throughout the year. In the spring, when they emerge from hibernation, their primary focus is on replenishing their depleted fat reserves. They will seek out carrion, graze on emerging grasses, and dig for roots and tubers to regain their strength after months of fasting. As summer progresses, berries, fruits, and insects become more abundant, providing readily available sources of energy. The fall is a critical time for grizzly bears as they enter a period of hyperphagia, consuming vast quantities of food to build up fat reserves for winter hibernation. This is when they focus on high-calorie foods like salmon, nuts, and berries, maximizing their caloric intake before retreating to their dens for the winter. Section 7. Hunger's Call, signs of a grizzly on the prowl. When a grizzly bear is hungry, its behavior becomes more focused and determined. Their movements take on a sense of urgency as they actively search for food, their senses heightened and their attention laser-focused on locating their next meal. They may become bolder in their search, venturing closer to human settlements or frequenting areas with higher concentrations of prey. Signs of a grizzly bear's presence, such as tracks, scat, and overturned rocks, become more prevalent as they increase their foraging efforts. They may be more vocal, emitting grunts, huffs, or even roars as they communicate with other bears or assert their dominance over a particular food source. Observing these behavioral changes can provide valuable insights into the feeding patterns and movements of grizzly bears in the wild. Section 8. The crucial role of food in grizzly bear survival. The availability of food is paramount to the survival of grizzly bears. Their ability to locate and consume sufficient quantities of nourishment directly impacts their health, reproductive success, and ultimately their long-term viability. A lack of food can lead to malnutrition, reduced birth rates, and increased susceptibility to disease, making it essential for grizzly bears to have access to a diverse and abundant food supply. Their feeding habits also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. As they consume vast quantities of berries and fruits, they disperse seeds across wide areas, contributing to the propagation of plant life. Their fishing activities can influence salmon populations, while their scavenging helps to control the spread of disease by removing carrion from the environment. The presence of healthy grizzly bear populations is an indicator of a thriving ecosystem, highlighting the interconnectedness of all living things. Section 9. A legacy of resilience. Grizzly bears, with their remarkable adaptations and unwavering determination, embody the resilience of nature. Their ability to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth is a testament to their strength, intelligence, and adaptability. Their relentless search for food, driven by instinct and honed by generations of experience, is a vital aspect of their survival and plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the natural world. As we continue to study and learn from these magnificent creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate web of life that connects all living things. By understanding their needs and respecting their boundaries, we can help ensure that grizzly bears continue to roam the wild landscapes of North America for generations to come, their presence a constant reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world.